Get off your phone, mate. I swear it's an epidemic. People that are on their phones while they're driving. Like, seriously, people. There's talk of the police upping the antes with the penalty for if you're caught using your phone while you're driving. At the moment, I think it's double demerit points if you're caught a second time. Like, first of all, it's 3 points and like $400 fine or something like that. And then the next time you get caught, it's like $800 fine and 6 points. Now there's talk of them actually taking your license off you for 3 months. Maybe that will sink the message in: don't drive while using your phone. Get a friggin' hands-free or Bluetooth device. Don't text and drive. The text can wait. No text is so important that you have to answer it like now. When I see people on their phones, I just want to fucking reach in and just put your fucking phone down. Not that hard. You know, put your phone on airplane mode so that no one can bother you. Put your phone in the glove box. Even put your phone in the fucking trunk. Leave your phone at home. You know, you can pull over the parking lot or something, you know, pull over at a servo or whatnot, you know, to check to reply to the messages on your phone, you know, whatever, but yeah. Or you can have a mate ride shotgun and they can be the designated texter for you. That's handy. Oh well.